So meme coin is all about attention. Solana's got utility, you're building stuff on top of it.
Yeah.
A meme coin is attention. And we saw this with NFT communities. When people walk away, the attention disappears. Everyone's like, well, what happened to my utility? I was supposed to be doing this and you were going to be building clubhouses. And then they found out it was no.
Bitcoin bull runs are more than market events. They're cultural phenomena that redefine the digital asset landscape. Each surge reignites the imagination of investors and creators, sparking innovation and speculation. As Raoul points out, these rallies are emotional as well as financial, drawing attention to everything from meme coins to NFTs in a frenzy of excitement. Meme coins, in particular, thrive in this volatile environment, driven not by utility or technology but by the cultural buzz surrounding Bitcoin's rise. Like the early days of NFTs, they often skyrocket during moments of collective euphoria, only to risk collapse when the hype subsides. In contrast, platforms like Solana capitalize on Bitcoin's momentum by showcasing their long-term vision, focusing on infrastructure that endures beyond the hype. A Bitcoin bull run does more than lift prices, it transforms narratives and prompts critical questions for the industry. Can hype-driven assets like meme coins evolve into sustainable investments, or will they fade away when attention shifts? As Bitcoin continues to reshape the financial world, the answers to these questions will shape the future of the digital asset space.
Stop. You don't have time. Don't miss out this 2025 bull run. Educate yourself first ahead of the crowd. We have created the ultimate step-by-step crypto cheat guide that will guide you this bull run. Unlock the secrets of crypto and make smarter investments today. Now by clicking on the link below to get your exclusive copy just under $10.
What are your thoughts on NFTs? Is that over?
So
The NFT PFPs.
yeah, PFPs are over except punks, apes, and a few
Do
others.
you still hold yours?
Yes. Yeah, my Twitter profile is a punk.
Oh, still is. I mean, look at it. Wow.
And so, yes, I do, because they're social identifiers. It shows you were early to the space, you've been around, you understand the space. It's an identifier, right? But that PFP business, it'll come back in various forms. NFTs as a technology can use for everything. Ticketing, any contractual term, OTC derivatives, you name it. So they're going to get used a lot. And I think Punk 6529, who talks about this may be larger than the underlying tokens themselves. Yes, because everything we do as humans has contracts. And this is, NFT is a contract, essentially a smart contract. So there's that. But then what's really happening, the big move in NFTs is high-end art. So that's Xcopy and Beeple and Fidenza.
They've been getting liquidity again?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Because as people make money, the richer people get, what do? They buy art.
So
art is a long-term store of value. So if you ask any, go and look at any rich person in Manhattan, go and find a big hedge fund manager, say, where did you invest once you made your money? They'll tell you two things, property and art.
Yeah.
It's always the same.
How far off their all-time highs are they?
Well, it's different because they're priced in ETH and they're priced in dollars.
In dollars?
In dollars, some things have been trading for all-time highs.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I mean, there's several pieces traded at over a few million. So yeah, it's happening. I don't know where the Beatles are yet. Punks are obviously still lower, but they doubled in the last week. They're up 100% in a week.
Yeah,
everybody's starting to buy them. So memes, yes, we've had Doge and everything else, but this iteration of memes is something I've been talking about for a long time, which is, these are social tokens, these are community tokens, and this is experimentation happening in real time at massive speed. So yes, I'll participate, I own some memes, stuff like that. But really, what I want to see is the same thesis we had before. I want to see the down 90, and I want to see what comes out the other side. Like we're seeing it from PFPs. I think my guess is punks will trade at new all-time record highs.
Oh, really?
We're seeing it with the digital art stuff. We saw it with Solana. We saw it with ETH the cycle before that. It's the ones that survive, that have the Lindy effect out of these memes, and then who builds what with this technology and this idea that excites me.
Would you say they've acted as a good store of value or no?
No, not yet, but they lag. They actually lag because they follow the business cycle. So they lag somewhat. So you can ask that question at the end of the cycle. Let's see how they are. My guess is in dollar terms, they'll have massively outperformed because they will go from, I don't know, they bottomed at, let's say 25 ETH, and ETH was at 2,500. Let's say ETH goes to 10,000 and these things go up to 100. The multiplier is gigantic. That's why so many people make money out of NFTs the last cycle, because you get the double multiplier.
Yeah.
Like a call option on ETH.
Raoul Pal delved into the evolving role of non-fungible tokens in technology and culture. While the initial hype around profile picture NFTs has diminished, iconic collections like CryptoPunks continue to hold value as social identifiers. Beyond collectibles, Pal highlights NFTs' broader utility in areas such as contracts and ticketing, emphasizing their relevance far beyond art. He also predicts a resurgence of interest in high-value digital art and enduring assets like CryptoPunks, showcasing the untapped potential of these technologies. Pal further explores how artificial intelligence, automation, and blockchain are poised to reshape work, value, and community. As AI advances, traditional roles face significant disruption, prompting questions about how society will adapt. He envisions a future where tokenized communities replace conventional jobs, creating opportunities for purpose and financial empowerment by integrating technology, creativity, and human connection into daily life. These innovations, Pal argues, are not just tools but transformative forces shaping the future of digital economies. With resilience and innovation at their core, they offer a glimpse into a world where work, value, and community are redefined. Let's dive into more clips from the interview to explore his insights further.
We have got the elephant in the room, which is AI. We've got AI and the robots coming for our jobs. And that's just the start. And the disruption of this is total and absolute, right? Because human knowledge, which was scarce, becomes infinite. And everything digitized goes to zero in value. Everything. And that's what blockchain technology did. Block technology creates a digital scarcity. Because if not, you can create endless pieces of digital art, let's say. But now you can't because you've got scarcity. But AI is going to create infinite knowledge. So infinite knowledge means zero value for a law and accounts and whatever over time. And then when you can create robots, you can infinitely create as many robots as possible. So, okay, what does that role leave for humans? Forget about the universal basic income, blah, blah, blah. If you take the fact that humans don't have to go to a job for a living, we still want a sense of purpose. We want a sense of optimism. We want to be able to make money and we want to have a purpose. We're social creatures by nature. So once you see this experimentation, what we're seeing is a bunch of very online people who are wildly disconnected in the way I grew up, which was we would go to the pub and chat. None of these guys do. Right? Most of them don't drink, they don't socialize. They socialize on video, Twitch streams, or on X, or on Discord. So you need to connect people and their ideas and make you feel part of something. Now we've seen this model before. It's called sports teams. Sports teams give you a sense of community. If you grow up in Liverpool, you'll probably support Liverpool or Everton Football Club. And it gives you a sense of community and commonality with other people around you. That's what humans do all the time. We also do it with pop stars. We do it with music. It's a cultural phenomena. And music is a really broken industry where the artist gets like 20% of the revenues that are generated by them. So what we've got now is the ability to gigantically scale communities. It's something you've been trying to do, something I've done. It's Taylor Swift's economy is so big, it moved the Australian economy, the Singapore economy, the US economy, and the UK economy, that all the central banks mentioned it, right? But how much is she worth? $1 billion. How much is the Taylor Swift economy worth? Multiple hundreds of billions of dollars. You can't release that, but tokenization can. And then we can be incentivized to be Taylor Swift fans and generate merch and generate whatever, and you create this token economy. That's what this is all doing. It's the future purpose. We've seen it also in gaming. So kids hang out online in games. When I used to go to the shopping mall with friends and go and meet them, kids now hang out in Minecraft. And again, once you start adding ability to monetize this, you don't need to work.
Raoul Pal's insights into the cyclical nature of NFTs align with recent trends in the market. In November 2024, NFT trading volumes rebounded significantly, reaching $563 million, a 58% increase from October. This resurgence highlights how NFTs, like other digital assets, mirror broader market sentiment, thriving during optimistic periods and contracting during downturns. Pal's observation about the speculative nature of NFTs and their reliance on attention was evident, as the rebound coincided with positive momentum driven by external factors like the US elections. However, as Pal notes, the NFT market is evolving beyond its speculative route. During the 2021 peak, many NFTs were overpriced digital images fueled by celebrity endorsements and hype. With the collapse of that bubble, the sector has shifted toward utility-driven projects, emphasizing sustainable value. Companies like Rad TV are at the forefront of this transformation, embedding utility into NFTs and leveraging smart contracts to ensure fair compensation for stakeholders in digital content creation. Pal's Lindy effect thesis, that only resilient projects endure, rings true, as surviving NFT initiatives now focus on creating real-world applications. This evolution underscores the potential of NFTs to move beyond attention-driven trends and establish themselves as scalable technologies for digital ownership and creative industries. As NFTs transition from speculative assets to meaningful tools, the integration of AI, blockchain, and tokenization could further reshape the future of work and community. What are your thoughts? Can meme coins and NFTs evolve beyond hype to deliver real utility? And how will these innovations shape the digital economy? Share your insights in the comments below. For more Daily Dose Crypto news, check out these 2 awesome videos on your screen. Click now and we will see you on the next video.